In today's video, I'll show you how to create an energetic opening where the video gently rocks up and down as it appears on the screen, adding movement and personality to your intro. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro so the motion feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Rock Vertically, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video enters with a vertical rocking motion before settling into place. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how strong the rocking feels. Shorter duration makes the motion quick and playful. Longer duration slows it down, making the rock smoother and more relaxed. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the movement complements your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a vertical rock reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.